配件明细。
Install the mortise. Remove the card sensor first. Remove the screws of the mortise battery cover plate. Insert the mortise lock into the door hole. Please feed the sensor wire through the hole first. Avoid squeezing the wires. Then fasten the mortise fixing screws. Install the lock cylinder. Align the arrow on the cylinder hole, with the arrow marked on the mortise lock as shown. Insert the cylinder drive bar into the matching hole of the mortise. Push the drive bar into place with a mechanical key, or small screwdriver if needed. Tighten the lock cylinder fixing screw with a small cross screwdriver. Proper installation is confirmed when the cylinder cannot be pulled out loosely. Connect the sensor and wire firmly. Tuck all wires back into the door hole without squeezing. Secure the sensor base to the lock cylinder with screws. Align the sensor cover, press it tightly and rotate it to the left to tighten. Install 4 AA batteries according to the positive and negative polarity marks inside the battery compartment. Fasten the battery cover plate screws. Place the spindle on the door edge and align it with the mortise center hole. Check door thickness and offset dimension, ensuring the spindle spring faces the side with more clearance. Insert the spindle. Check spindle length and lock offset direction. Ensure the spindle is fixed tightly without falling off. Install the front handle. Tighten the handle sleeve and mount the handle onto the spindle accurately. Install the rear handle. Loosen the rear handle cover first. Fit the rear handle onto the spindle. Tighten the panel fixing screws. Then fasten the rear cover. Insert the deadbolt spindle. Loosen the deadlock base and cover. Set the deadbolt knob upright, align with the spindle. Tighten the base screws and fasten the cover. Test mechanical key unlocking. Place your palm against the sensor and rotate it to the right to open the decorative cover. Test card unlocking. Installation is finished if works properly.